Hello guys, welcome back. For today's video, samahan nyo akong i-unboxing itong ating Silver Play. Thank you so much YouTube team, YouTube friends, KTS, KTS family, lalong lalo na kay Kasweet, admin JLC, Joya Channel, all members KTS. Thank you so much guys. Kung di dahil sa inyo, hindi ko ito makukuha. Sa mga nag-uumpisa, tuloy nyo lang guys, upload lang ng upload, makukuha nyo rin ito. Tara guys, i-unbox na natin. Ayan guys, meron ditong letter. Ayan, meron pa dito. Ayan, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. Is presented to RD Simple Cooking for passing 100,000 subscriber. Thank you so much guys, lalong lalo na sa taas. Thank you YouTube team, YouTube friends, KTS family, admin Kasweet, admin JLC, Joy Channel, sa lahat ng KTS. Thank you so much guys sa lahat ng suporta nyo. Sa wakas, nakuha na natin itong ating Silver Play button. Thank you so much. Ayan guys, ito na ang ating Silver Play button. Present to RD Simple Cooking for passing 100 subscriber. Thank you so much guys. Sa wakas, nakuha na natin ito, ating Silver Play button. Ayan guys, sakto lang siya guys, maliit lang siya. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.